Good morning, Adventure Seekers. What a beautiful machine. 1933 Ford. Keeps this thing clean. 90-year-old machine. Still looking mean. Yikes, I love that. Alright, cold, foggy, time change. Let's see who the diehards are. Alright, Orcutt Car Show. This Sunday. CVS parking lot, Clark and Bradley. Bring a car, motorcycle, whatever you got. Enter free. Giveaways at 10. Let's see. Some El Camino action. A couple good looking vets. And some work. Sweet. Like it. There's a nice Grand Sport Blue. 1951 cruiser action. Like that. Check out this video action. He's set up. Makes some nice YouTube moves with this one. Alright, little step side. Good looking Chevy truck. Like it. Bed's done up nice. Doing good. Too many people out today. Adventure Seekers. The ones that are here are looking good. See this one around the neighborhood. The view. I like it. What else we got? We got the school bus. 1949. Classic. What they're gonna do to this one? Mitchell, Indiana, 8100 school bus. Turn this into a camper. It'd be pretty cool. First we got the fleet side. Chevy Apache. Good looking cruiser. Loyalty, Central Coast. Get you down the road in style. Nice paint job. Rims, tires. Good. City of Saints. Lowered red delivery machine. Style Master. Cool car, man. I like it. El Camino action. Right there we go. The Deluxe. This green machine. Looking good. Alright, keep coming in, Adventure Seekers. We'll get there soon here. Good looking Rubicon. Got this thing dialed in. Bunch of aftermarket parts. Looking good. Ready for rock front as soon as they open it up. Eventually. A couple other ones cruising in. Got the Studa Shaker. Studa Shaker. Nice. Enough of that ride. The old Ford. Good. Proving it has reverse. Like it. Close up of the Studa Shaker. And axles. Like it. Hot Rod Ranch. 1949 vintage. Oh, 327 cubic inches of meanness. Like it. Right. Shining up that purple people eater. Beautiful little car, my friend. You are styling down the road in this thing. I like it. Keeping it looking clean too. Engine's so big you gotta run. Oh, it's a little Hawaii mobile, huh? I like it. Cool shifter, nice interior. Good job on this one. The old Econoline, Scooby-Doo panel van. super van, to be technical. Boy, a loader of moose. On the line. Cool ride. Alright, adventure seekers, getting some more brave souls coming on out to the donut shop to show off their sweet rides. That Woody Chevy. I love this one. Love the exposed engine look. Being cool. Like it. The old triple carburetor action going. Good looking interior. Yeah. Beautiful ride, my friend. You're styling going down the road in this, aren't you? Just gives you a different feel when you got to drive than. Yeah, exactly. Ricky Racer Street Cruiser Machine. FRS. Like it. Alright, the old slingshot. Always get me there in style. Right next to nice looking Harley. Love those tailpipes. Good looking machine. Keeping that chrome clean. Gotta like it. Yowza. Go cruising in. Bel Air. Nice. Fine machine. The Galaxy cruising low and mean. Beautiful job on this thing. Like those lines, styling lines, nice rims and tires. Bet you she'll get with it too if you wanted to. Huh? It looks like it's cruising until you want to make it do a little bit something different. Sweet, that's so cool. 1957 Chevy Bel Air, the green machine. Looking nice. This is one beautiful example of a Bronco, my friend. That is sweet. Love the rims and tires. Red and black, does it up. Oh, man, ready for rock front, but I wouldn't want to get mud all over it, that's for sure. Not with this beautiful. Looking good. Like it. Out, ready for a cruise. Coming low and tall. You take your choice. The old Tundra. Little crime clearance on that one. Sit there and throw some surfboards on that thing and you're ready to go. What do you think, buddy? Are you a happy one or are you a sad one? You gonna bite my camera right off or not? Oh no. Yeah. You smell my puppy? You smell my dog? Well, you have just got the cutest face there is, I'll tell you that. I want to get the tooth. You've got the tooth for it now. You've got that snaggle tooth. I'm gonna shoot. Got the cruise. Impala. Convertible. Looking nice. Sweet looking ride. Honda CRX. The road racers are out. Ricky Road Racers. Heading out. Going for a cruise. Now they're coming in droves. Seriously cool work truck. I told you. Slam all the way to the ground. Hello, plumbing. Check out interior. Done up right. I like it. GMC. The patina. Have a good looking Chevy Impala. Moves down the road in this baby in style. Like Impala, SS version. Cool. Good looking Jeep Rubicon. Ready for the trails once they finally open them up. Good looking machine. Got rock front ready. Try a little hopping action. Car's getting a little jumpy. A little hopping action. Those batteries to work. That El Camino's getting jumpy. I think she wants to run. Oh, looks like the pink Rambler American snuck in on me. It's a quiet one, still classy. Machine, reconditioned exactly the way it came out of the showroom. 1956 Super D-Plus machine. Oh, like the Ricky Racers are out. Convertible Super Sport 392 B Dodge. Okay. Quick machine. So we'll get you there in a hurry. I like it. Convertible Super Sport. Good. Alright, seriously cruising VW van. This thing's got more windows than an apartment building. Cool. I can't. Chevy. Beautiful orange on this one. Beautiful orange on this one. And they just keep cruising in. Come on through with that beast. Even got the Felix Chevrolet license plate frame. One good looking machine. Special Deluxe. Alright, Adventure Seekers. One awesome job he's done on this dune buggy. Love it. Engine looking clean. Roll cage, nice exhaust. Rims and tires dialed in. Seats. Wow. This is one pretty machine. Love the paint job. Tech coating there. Keep it nice and clean. Sweet. The vets are still cruising in. A little late for the party, but it's never too late to show off a nice ride like that. That's right. We know you're here. And they keep cruising in, folks. The weather's not keeping them down. Adventure Seekers, stay tuned with the end of this video. Preview upcoming shows. Cars and Canines, First, Cars and Comedy, May 20th. Do a little summary of everything. Remember, bring those cars and motorcycles down. Clark and Bradley, Sunday mornings. Thought it was going to be a light turnout, but it came out a jamming show today. All kinds of people out of the woodwork, finally drying out. That's one sweet sounding Blazer. Like it. Rolling in, Dodge Challenger. Awesome sounding K5 Blazer. Let's check it out. Now that is one awesome machine. Sounds like she wants to run. She wants to get somewhere. She wants to get there fast, folks. Another cool Chevy Impala. Rolling on in. Like it. Keeping it looking good, too. It's one sweet machine, my friend. Cruising in style when you go down the road in this thing. You like it. It's looking good. Looking good. Eric's VW. Adventure Seekers, they just keep rolling in. It's hard to keep up with them. Good looking orange Rubicon. The old yellow Corvette. Nice pinstripe. Good looking. That. Sweet. Right. See what's going on with these prizes. Silver Deuce. I think I've seen this one here before. Still up nice. The old Deuce. Cool. Little VW action. Green Machine Caddy. Stiff but don't scratch. This beauty of a convertible Impala. Good looking machine, folks. Cruise down the road in style. Check out the original interior. Looking good. Impalas are out. Impalas are out strutting their stuff. With a good looking Harley sneaking in last minute. Make sure you get a picture of this one. Fine looking machine. 117 cubic inches. Nice. There.